Okay, for step 3, basically, as you guys seen in the outline, I talked about the introduction, giving a introduction of yourself. After going through step 1 and step 2, you will have built up a lot of vocabulary and how to say certain things and whatnot. So I think by the time you get done with step 1 and step 2, you should be able to make a short introduction about yourself in this foreign language. So here I've made a sample of how you should do this, and as you can see, when you make this introduction, you want to try to use as many keywords as possible. So I've used several keywords here in this sample. So let's see here. So I start off, I have, hello, my name is Lao Shu, and today I would like to introduce myself in order to practice. So in order to practice, in order, that's one of the keywords I use there, in order to practice. Okay? In order to practice my Chinese. So I'm an American and I am now studying Chinese. So now is another keyword. Okay? I'm living in Columbus, Ohio, but I was born in Akron. But is a keyword. Akron, Ohio. Akron is north of Columbus and it takes about 2 hours to get there by vehicle. I've been living in Columbus, Ohio for 8 years already. So already is another keyword. I think Columbus is great. I think is another keyword. Because it is it is a very diverse place. Because is another keyword. I'm also married. Also is a keyword. Although I'm married, I haven't any children yet. Although and yet, those both are keywords. I'm 20 years old and my wife is 39 years old. Why am I learning Chinese and other languages? Other is a keyword. I'm learning Chinese and other languages simply because I think that learning languages is very enriching. Simply is a keyword, because is a keyword, I think is a keyword. Other is a keyword. Let's see, very is another, very is a keyword as well. Very. Enriching, and I love meeting people from all over the world. And is a keyword. Although to many people learning language is a difficult task, but I think it's a fun thing to do and very high rewarding after hard work of study. So after is a keyword, but is a keyword, I think is a keyword. To many people, to me people, that's a keyword when you say to me or in my opinion or whatnot, that's a keyword. Although is a keyword, and it's a keyword. I would honestly have to say that it is certainly worth the effort for learning languages. So honestly is a keyword, certainly is a keyword. Okay? So that's basically what you want to do when you make these videos, because I would say try to make videos at least once a week in the targeted language. And when you make these videos, it could be about any topic, but I would advise the first video to be an introduction of yourself. Just introduce yourself to everyone, tell everyone why you're learning the language, where you learn language, what motivates you to learn language and whatnot. So that's basically the step 3. Step 3 is getting into making videos and whatnot. So so this introduction will be your first video, and after that you can whatever other topic, hobbies or whatever whatever you want to talk about, you can choose. It's fine. And that's pretty much it for that. So step 3, just creating videos in the language to get extra practice, because I found that making videos helps. Like you meet people, especially YouTube. You can use YouTube as a tool. I've been using YouTube as a tool for a couple of years now, and it's helped me because I met so many people from around the world, and I get constructive criticism on my languages, and I learn from that. So I think it's a very good tool to use for making some improvements in your language skill and meeting people from all over the world. So it's a really good idea to make videos in the targeted language. So other than that, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to break down this sample and show you guys how to use these words and what you should do when making these videos. So when you make a video, you have to start off by saying what you want to do. Like here, said, my name is Lao Shu, and today I would like to introduce myself in order to practice Chinese. I'm telling everyone what I would like to do. So when you make your video, that's what you want to do. You want to start off with that introduction there, or before you get started introducing yourself, just make sure you tell everyone what your intentions are on making the video. You want to say that first before you start getting into the details and whatnot. So, yeah, that's pretty much it for step 3. And I have one more step. We have one more step, and that will be pretty much it for this process.